You've been a biker for many years. What was your first bike?
First bike was Dad's bike, 79 Enfield.
Did you have a love for that bike and the sound?
No, actually, I had hated for the bike. My first interaction with motorcycles was hatred.
Oh,
Yeah.
how did it turn to love?
I don't know. So there was first sign was hatred. Second sign was symbol of power.
Okay.
And of course, after riding for many years, you realize that it just calms you down and thanda kar deta.
Yeah.
And it just aligns you in a good way. But the first was because पापा जब हम बोर्डिंग स्कूल से घर जाते थे, फादर बुलेट पे आते थे, तो बुलेट की आवाज़ आती थी, कभी डर हो जाता था कि अभी पिटाई होगी.
Yeah.
So बुलेट की आवाज़ से डर हो गया.
हाँ.